Hey y'all, Knife Detector here. Just letting you know that I'm going to make some room in my toolbox with this quick video. If you're barely tuning into my videos, this is Knife Detector saying please like and subscribe. What I do is I like to make videos on lesser known knives, unique knives that people may not know exist. Occasionally I sell a few, and that's what this video is about. I'm going to sell a few. I'm going to put this on eBay. I think I'm going to put these for an auction. And the auction's going to start at probably something low like $12.99 and plus shipping. And I'm going to show you what these knives are. Now, these knives are not perfect, but they are extremely vintage. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about them, talk to you about their defects, what I like about them, what I dislike about them. And I'm going to put them up for sale. They're going to be for sale if you guys are interested. People that watch my videos get first crack at these things because you know they're out there. All right, let's start with the Queen. I believe this to be a Queen knife. I think it's a little better than 4 inches long. You can tell by the handles that this is a Queen. It's got a couple of defects in it. It's got a crack right there, close to that pin. A little piece of the bone is missing, as you can see there on that pin as well. I decided not to repair this one. Decided to leave it like that in case somebody wants to repair it on their own. The blade, very sharp. It has been sharpened, but it is very sharp, guys. Cannot really see the letters on there, but I'm guessing that this is a Queen knife. Yeah. Not bad condition. It's a good letter opener, a good pocket carry. Good for you to have in your pocket in case you want to open a letter or cut some cord or cut some cardboard. This will do the job just fine. It's got some snap in it. Mid stop, snap closed. Snap open, mid-stop, close. Not too bad. Check this old one out. I believe this is from the 1939 World's Fair, New York World's Fair. It's missing a bolster right here. And the handles are cracked, some type of plastic pearl handles, some rust there. But with all that being said, check this out. Mid-stop, snap open, mid-stop, snap closed. Mid stop on the little guy, snap open, mid stop, snap closed. Not bad. And this is from Syracuse Knife Company. Syracuse Knife Company. I don't know if that's a company that I don't believe it's still in business. I'm guessing that for this pocket knife, maybe they sold them at the World's Fair, or maybe they gave them out as souvenirs. And there's no telling the kind of history that this knife has, how many pockets it's been in. I believe that if somebody were to have bought this in 1939 and spend money on a pocket knife, that means that they wanted something with quality. And it also meant they had a little bit of disposable income that they could spend their money on a souvenir. Because back then, money was real tight, as it is for a lot of us today. So this is Syracuse Knife Company. A little bit of oil I put there. Check it out. Syracuse Knife Company. Not bad. Snap open, snap closed. All right. Now, this Camillus, I'm not going to spend too much time on because I did a video on this one. This Camillus had a repair somebody did, but expertly so, with some JB Weld right there. Blade's been heavily sharpened. You can see this person loved to sharpen their knife, but they did it pretty good. And the beautiful bone that's there is just really nice to look at. Beautiful brass liners. Still has a great snap. Boom, mid-stop. Boom, right there. Open, mid-stop on the little blade. Snap open, mid-stop, closed. Nice action on this knife. It's going to be part of the lot. $12.99 for all of them. This one was given to me as a gift, as a kind of like an extra knife when I bought a knife lot. It's a cute little knife. It needs to be sharpened. It's stainless steel Japan. Little eagle knife, nice little pocket carry to add to your souvenir. It's got a little number there. I think it says 200 on it. Cute little knife. Throwing it in there as well, passing it along. Somebody gave that to me as a gift when I bought a knife lot. And this Stanley work knife right here. To open this, you have to pull these and then pull out the blade. This is a utility knife. So I'm not sure if they still make these. Made in the USA right there. This is a Stanley. It's a good utility knife, still pretty sharp. To close it, you have to pull these things back, boom, and then bend it open, bend it closed, right there. Not bad. It's good to have when you're going to work. Okay, guys, that's the knife lot. I'm putting it up for sale for $12.99 starting bid, or I might do a best offer. And who knows, if you mention that you saw it on a video and that you saw it on my knife detector channel, I'll take 10% off and probably give you an updated invoice when I sell it on eBay, and that way, you'll get a little bit of a discount. So let's see what happens. Let's see if somebody watches it and mentions it. I'm going to start this at $12.99. You know what? We're going to do best offer. And for best offer on this, probably, I'm going to tell you, my buy it now is probably going to be something low, like $15 or something like that. Somebody offers me something close to that, they're going to run away with this thing. So until then, this is Knife Detector. Have a beautiful rest of the week. God bless you and your family, and take care, guys. Stay sharp.